I hail our correct viewers across the whole world. Una do well. I welcome una to Pidgin News Network, where news dey blow like breeze. Get immediate news for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yarns as e dey pound for we street, parable as we for others, and dey talk am tori as e dey blow from one corner to the world patapata. My name na Ororo Pata 20 km. I welcome una to Pidgin News Network. Naija Koro breakdown. Small pikin no sabi poison, e say na vegetable. Make e no chop am o, because if e chop am, e go worry im belle. Corona no be kuruno. Corona no be kuruno o. Corona na deadly virus wey dey kaput people without looking back. Welcome to Lagos, Naija. My people, 35 new people with corona don surface for Naija to make the total 174. 2 people don kpai and 9 don go back their house. With this latest number, Lagos now get 91, Abuja 35, Osun 14, Kaduna 4, Oyo 8, Enugu 2, Edo 4, Bauchi 3, Ekiti 2, Akwa Ibom 5, and Ogun 4. The thing dey waka dey rise from state to state. Make we stay house, make we no catch am o. The federal government of Nigeria sef don carry reverse small for the total lockdown wey dem put for the federal capital territory Abuja, Lagos and Ogun state to fight this koro. The latest be say borders between Ogun and Lagos dey under padlock. Dem carry the key throw inside river. Gathering of more than 20 people e no dey accepted o. No bus transport except na special duty. Driver wey dey carry people for special duty must make sure say people sit down far from themselves, and e must sleep inside the motor well. Supermarket must get their supply from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Supermarket and pharmacy wey dey sell drugs for us to use must to open between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Market wey dey sell food go dey open 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. every two days. Lagos, Ogun and Abuja go get 6,000 metric tons of grains. Grains na like rice, wheat and other small thing wey we dey carry dey shop every day. 9 people out of 127 Nigerian people wey return from Cote d'Ivoire don test positive for Osun State. Yepa, the thing dey waka o. We must take time make we make am no waka too much. Now as I dey talk, Naija don test over 2,000 people, and as the day dey waka dey pass, na so dem go dey test more and more. Dem go dey isolate them, dey treat them, and dey trace others wey dey different corner everywhere. Since this week, Naija don open 2 new extra laboratories wey be say dem fit take test this thing to join that one wey dey for Center for Disease Control to test corona. One na for University College Ibadan and the Federal Teaching Hospital Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Now the test center dem don reach 7. Dem don ready to test 24/7 every day without stop, so that we go fit fight this thing without say we dey sleep. We no go sleep, we go fight till we win am. Central Bank nko, dem don blow trumpet say no more clearing of check o from 31st of March until further notice. Any check wey carry waka enter clearing house, e go meet roadblock, because dem don carry padlock lock the place. Na only check wey dem return na im dem carry pass road for that 31st of March. Now no more like that o. My Naija people, I hail una. Make una dey wash una hand every time. Make una no shake hands, no hugging o. Make you stay your own and stay my own 1 meter apart. No stay for where people pass 20. Use hand sanitizer when you see am use, and even when you no see am, wash your hands well. Help people wey no get. As e dey go, we go dey roll the news dey come on our place, because we dey follow news dey waka around the whole world. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. I hail una. Back am.